Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can probably see, I am currently at AK Racing. We've got a bunch of Evos and Rally Outs all around us. We've got actually Letitia's car here as well. And we have my car on the dyno. So you may have heard me say in previous videos that when I got the turbo and the injectors fitted and tuned, Alan here at AK Racing recommended I need a fuel pressure regulator for him to really tidy up the tune, and where he was 100% happy with it. So yeah, we dropped the car off a couple of days ago. The guys here have fitted the fuel pressure regulator, so we got GFB all set up, super tidy. He's tidied up the fuel pump wiring a little bit as well, and he started actually tuning it. So yeah, it's been a couple of hours he's been working on it now. I've rocked up to get some shots. So yeah, he started. He said this dyno here is a little bit of a heartbreaker dyno, so I'm not going to probably get the number that I had on my road tune, but he said it's already a lot faster and making more power than it did. So currently he's got it at 294.2 kilowatts, you can see there, and 432 newton meters. He has tried to sort of bump it up a little bit more boost to get more power, but he said it'll just start to knock, so he's got to take timing out, which negates, you know, the reason of putting the boost up. So probably about there is, he said, where he's going to get it. Here's the AFR, so as you can see, he's drawn a line there, much tidier now than what it was before the fuel pressure regulator. So yeah, he's got the tune a lot more dialed in. Unfortunately the number, which I don't really care about too much, but the number's not going to be as high as what it was and what, you know, I guess I was aiming for with this turbo. But he has said here, chucking on some other dynos is going to make higher numbers. This one seems to be a bit lower, but yeah, he said it's making a lot more power than what it did. So I'm going to let him keep tuning away. He's just letting the car cool down at the moment a little bit. And yeah, I'm going to film a few more runs. He said that's probably going to be about the power though, but he is just going to keep tidying things up. Yeah, I'll get pretty cool to see your car on the dyno, so I'm going to definitely film that. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to take this car home and give my first reaction to a couple of pulls on the way home. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Definitely give this one a thumbs up down below, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, maybe some of these cars in here we'll do some feature videos on soon. I can actually see one up on the hoist there that is actually getting filmed pretty soon, hopefully. But yeah, crazy setup here. Looking forward to once they finish this. This dyno has just been installed basically. They need to build the walls and there's a whole bunch more to come. So once they've done all that, we'll do a shop tour here and show you guys all around. But for now, yeah, let's let Alan keep working away on the car and hopefully make maybe another 2 or 3 kilowatts, who knows. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Alright guys, so started the car up. Looks like I have a tail light out, I've just noticed as well. But yeah, let's see what it does here. So let Alan keep tuning away. I'll just film as I can.
Alright guys, so I'm now heading home from AK Racing. Dyno session is done, tune is 100% dialed in, and yeah, the car is ready to be driven hard and I can thrash it all I want. So I'm stoked. The main issue I was going there, the main reason I was going there was because Alan wanted me to get a fuel pressure regulator so he could dial in the tune a little bit more. He wasn't quite 100% with the AFRs and everything, so he just wanted a fuel pressure regulator there and he could even it all out. A lot of technical stuff that I just let him, whatever he wanted me to do, I was going to do to get this car to 100% so I can drive it hard. I'm now able to launch it, race it, do whatever I want. It's just 100% good to go. So I'm stoked. Thing is now just like dialed and I'm ready to put it to the test and really enjoy it. So just want to say, first of all, before I go into like the numbers and all that sort of stuff that it made, I just want to say like I'm just so thankful to AK Racing. Guys, they're just honestly never been to a shop, never been to any type of business with that level of customer service and care. Like, it's pretty refreshing. Like, those guys have tonight, both of them there, the two owners, Alan and Keith, stayed back till after 9 o'clock on a Wednesday night to do my tune, have a chat, talk about the car, recommend what I could do, what I shouldn't change, what my future options will be, and just dial the car in for me. You don't get that a lot at a lot of shops, let alone that they actually have Letitia's car there at the moment just to have a look at. Keith's given me his own Rally Art, 300 kilowatt Rally Art to drive around for a couple of days if I needed. It's just, they are honestly a step above. And if you guys are in the Queensland, sort of Brisbane, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast region, even if you don't have an Evo, like there's Toyota Yaris GRs there, there's Chasers, there's BMW M3s, older Evos, the Evo 10s and Rally Arts, obviously, like all sorts of cars. If you guys have any performance car, I would recommend go check them out. I've never been disappointed, and they always blow me away with their service. So I just wanted to say a massive thanks to them. I really do appreciate all they do, not just for me and Letitia, but for like all our friends in the sort of Evo, Rally Art and Lancer community. They don't treat me differently because I have like a channel or anything. This channel is like nothing. That doesn't really mean anything. This is how they treat everyone in our group. So I just want to say a huge thanks. With that said, let's talk about the numbers that the car made. So first thing Alan said to me when I got there, he goes, so your car is the first one that we've tuned before, like a road tune, and now it's going on the dyno since we've had the dyno all calibrated, everything's set up and it's 100% good to go. And we can now confirm it is a bit of a heartbreaker dyno. So I'm not making the numbers that I was on the road tune, even though he said I'm making probably an extra 20-ish kilowatts more than what I was then. So it's 294 was the highest he got, and 432 newton meters. So that's basically 394 wheel horsepower. But he said, chuck it on some other people's dynos, it'll be well above the 300 range. Go to the drags, you'll set a great time. It's making really good power. So I don't really care about the numbers so much. Obviously 300 kilowatts is like the number everyone in Australia, I guess, wants with the Evo 10s and Evo in general. But he said, trust me, you do your first couple of pulls and you'll be blown away. It's a lot quicker. So it's now an official number, 294. Maybe if I go back on like a winter, like a cold day, because it is Brisbane summer at the moment, it's pretty hot, pretty humid. If I go back on like a winter day, maybe you'll hit the 300 kilowatts, but I don't really care. I just want to now drive the car and go see what it does on the drags and do some roll racing against some other types of cars and just, enjoy it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll wait until I get to a quieter bit of road and I'll do a couple of pulls and we'll see what I think. But I'll keep driving now. I'll pick the camera back up once I do get to a nice quiet bit of road, and I'll get back to you guys then. Alright guys, so I am on my little favourite section of road where I can do a couple of pulls. I just didn't even do a pull, but I just like slightly tapped the throttle before. This thing already feels quicker. So I'm going to do a pull up this hill. Holy shit. This thing is way quicker. Whoa. Yeah, that comes on sooner. I don't know if he's like somehow got the turbo to spool up faster or something, but that didn't feel like as laggy. Not that it was laggy before, but yeah, that came on and that just seemed like it held the power, like held that torque or whatever so much better. Yeah, that surprised me. All right, I'm gonna do another one. Holy shit. I'm gonna go second gear. And let's go now. Holy shit. Whoa. Yeah, I hit limiter there. Yeah, he was not wrong. This is way quicker. So, makes less power, according to the dyno sheet, but that is so much quicker. That's a different car, and it's like nothing's changed, just he's finished his tune. Do one more, just fourth. Ooh. God damn, I love this car. This is just so good. Oh, Alan, you are a wizard. This is so good. My second fuel light has come on, so that's going to be the end of the pulls there. I don't want to be doing a pull and run out of fuel, or it was already risky. I'd forgotten that my first fuel light actually already came on. So yeah, it's quicker. It is 100% quicker. I wish I had have been able to do my launch control and time it, because I feel like this is going to be quicker. This feels like it comes on boost sooner than what it did. I don't know, or it just something feels different. It feels like it just pulls harder as well. Like, yeah, I'm stoked. So I'm on a bit of a high from that. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll end the video there. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. You reckon it, I don't know, it's probably hard to tell, but it feels quicker. So let me know what you think. Yeah, subscribe if you aren't already. There is so many more videos to come with this car, with the Red Evo, and with plenty of friends, Evos and Rally Arts. I'll end the video there. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time.